Have you ever stepped into a luxury hotel shower and wished you could have that same experience at home? The good news is you can. Today's modern shower systems offer much more than basic water flow. They combine comfort, convenience, and smart engineering to create a relaxing spa-like experience every single day. Welcome back to FlowFit DIY. Today we're checking out the VANFOXLE shower system, a premium shower package that brings together a rainfall shower, an overhead spray, a multifunction handheld unit, and intelligent temperature control in one complete system. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First impressions. Right out of the box, the VANFOXLE shower system gives off a premium feel. The design is sleek, modern, and built to become the centerpiece of almost any bathroom renovation. Whether your style is contemporary, industrial, or classic, there are several finish options to choose from, including matte black, brushed gold, brushed nickel, and oil-rubbed bronze. Everything is designed to look clean, elegant, and built to last. The package includes a large 12-inch rainfall shower head, a secondary overhead shower, a handheld sprayer, and a complete pressure-balanced valve system. Premium materials. Looks are important, but durability matters even more. VANFOXLE uses solid brass for the valve body, along with stainless steel components that resist rust and corrosion over time. The control handle feels sturdy during operation, and the overall construction gives confidence that this system is designed for years of everyday use. Rainfall shower performance. Let's talk about the feature most people buy this system for: the oversized rainfall shower. The 12-inch shower head uses air injection technology to mix air into the water stream. This creates larger, softer droplets that feel full and luxurious without sacrificing water pressure. Instead of a harsh spray, you get smooth, even coverage that surrounds your entire body, making every shower feel relaxing. Whether you're starting your morning or winding down after work, this shower head delivers a spa-inspired experience. Extra shower options. Not every shower calls for full rainfall coverage. That's why VANFOXLE includes a second overhead shower head with an angled spray pattern. It's ideal when you want a quick rinse or need to avoid getting your hair wet. Then there's the handheld shower. This isn't just an ordinary handheld wand. Its dual-purpose design allows it to function as both a standard handheld shower and a high-pressure cleaning sprayer. That makes it useful for bathing children, washing pets, cleaning shower walls, rinsing tubs, or reaching areas that fixed shower heads simply can't. Easy push-button controls. One feature that immediately stands out is the control system. Instead of turning a traditional diverter knob, VANFOXLE uses dedicated push buttons. Changing between shower functions becomes fast, simple, and intuitive. Even with wet hands, selecting your preferred spray mode feels effortless. An even bigger advantage is that several shower outlets can be used together, allowing you to build the exact shower experience you want. The VANFOXLE shower system successfully combines luxury styling with practical, everyday features. From its spacious rainfall shower and versatile handheld sprayer to its push-button controls and dependable anti-scald protection, every feature is designed to make showering more comfortable and more enjoyable. If you're planning a bathroom upgrade and want a shower system that offers premium performance without sacrificing convenience or safety, this one deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching FlowFit DIY. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more honest bathroom fixture reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.